Good day guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. So today guys, just do a quick gold analysis, market analysis, the update on gold. So remember guys, yesterday we analyzed gold, and I was really looking for a sell. So yeah, do you get my point? Do you get my point, guys? Like, do you get my point, guys? If you saw my last video, if you did really see that video, I don't know if you saw that video, but go to that video, bro. Like, go to that video. Today is the 28th. It's Tuesday, April. So I made a video yesterday, indicating that I'm seeing it. Just to get that, bro. Just a clean sell, bro. Clean one. Just a clean sell. So yeah, this is looking good, bro. Because yesterday we had indicated that price is just gonna dip to the downside, and this is so I don't think I'll be making market analysis more. What we could be doing right now is today I don't think. Oh, okay. We will analyze Bitcoin. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Probably analyze Bitcoin. So I just see price, man, just continuing to dip, man. You see this, we're gonna see this from price, yeah, we're gonna see something like that. So yeah, I just think that from here, bruh, even if price does do what, those retests, those whatever here, I know it's gonna happen somewhere here. Those retests, those those little things, yeah, it might do them. Like, it's fine, that's the market. That's just how the market moves. So you can't be too shocked if you see price going there, coming back to those areas. So we know that it could happen, at any time. It could even, like, to be honest, it would make sense for me. If price comes back here, you see, just this area, then from there, bruh, so again, the same story again. We continue deep into the downside. Just that, man. Just looking for just that. But then if price just continues going down, there's nothing more I can do. Or just watch price, continue dipping down. But this was a nice. This was nice. These were nice entries. Like, they were nice entries, bro. Because yesterday I had analyzed that, if you saw that video, guys. But then yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, it's very bright. It's looking nice. So from here, just know the price. Just looking for price to actually come here, bro. Like, tap into this zone again. Yeah. Tap here. Then from here, we know that price has it has the power to continue going to the downside. So again, let's not underestimate price, guys. Price is very smart. Let's also acknowledge that price is very smart. So here, some entries are gonna be taken out here. If this move happens fast, it's like price, it just comes and curves and continue going to the downside. If price comes here and curves and just continues going to the up, then it's fine. But then if price comes here, it stalls, and if it stalls for time, bruh, just know that those ones do entered here are just gonna be taken out. Few of them, then that's when price will continue going to the downside. That's just how it is. That's just how it is, bro. This, I don't know, that's just how I see it. If price comes here and it curves like the same time, and we're gonna, you see, if price come curves here, retest this area, then breaks again here, and just we know that we're gonna continue selling price. But then if price comes here, it gets confused. If price gets confused here, bruh, it's gonna be a lot of manipulation, and when that happens, you need to be smart. You need to be thinking like, hey, what am I gonna do here? Cause it could happen like that, but you see, if price does this, cause if you check there, if you just check there, you see price, did that price, what can I say? I just don't like using the terms, I just understand price action. So if you can see the price, it sold, retest, sold, retest, sold, retest, sold. Like, it's just been doing the same thing, just been going up, down, impulse correction, correction, impulse correction, whatever, but here, price is trying to also do that. Price is also trying to correct, it's also trying to correct price. You wanna correct this area, I wanna correct here, it wants to correct this. If price, because of, it makes sense, bruh, because of price has been in a downtrend here. Price it sold, stalled, went into consolidation, broke out of that consolidation. Now price was selling super hard, so why not expect that? No, price won't do that. Price doesn't move like that, guys. It needs to do things like this. You see, these things are very necessary in the market. So I won't be surprised if price comes back there. I will be expecting that. I will be expecting that. If price comes there, I will be expecting that. If it also like we see here, just this area here, I know if price goes back to that area, this is gonna be very crucial area. This area here, if price comes here and it gets confused, trust me, this area is just gonna do a lot of confusion if price gets confused. But then if price does come there, I don't know, if it doesn't go there, it's fine. If price just continues crashing, we're gonna crash with price. This is how it is. So yeah, this is just how I see gold, bro. This is how I see gold. So going there, like bullish. There's someone who sees a buy. There's someone who sees a buy, bro. I don't know what it is, but me, I'm selling. You get my point. Me, I'm selling, bro. But there's someone who's buying now. But me, I'm selling. You get the point. So guys, to be honest, trading is another game, bro. You see me, I could be, I've entered myself. I feel that you know what, we're gonna crash with price, only to find out that my brother, relax, it's still us, we are the bigger ones, we are buying, and you ask yourself, my brother, how is that possible? How are you buying, bro? And explains everything to you, bro. Just explains everything to you. You understand that, this, bro. You get to understand that, bro. We are not the same, bro. Because of, to be honest, in most cases, bro, could find that there's just something like that, bro. Like, as you see me, I'm selling. There is someone who is buying now, bro. Hey, when I think about that, you see, like, whenever I think about that, bro, I'm just like, yo. and by the time you're looking for a swing, and the product just comes straight and tells you. You get the point. So bright times, bro. At times, bro. Like I'm telling you, that there's someone who is buying price now, bro. Yeah, it's buying price. Yeah, but if you are buying, guys, please can you just please kindly please just share with me, guys, how are you seeing this price? Because me, I see a sell, but I could also be wrong, bruh. This is the market, bruh. It can be, all that, but Ash, if you do see, but if you see something wrong with the setup, please, man, please just correct me, man, because of you see, you see, in the market is like, you might think you see something like, a certain setup, but then it appears not to be the one, those kind of things. E.g., if you see a buy, it means probably I missed something. But I would like to know, how are you seeing this price? If you see a buy, if you see like there's seriously something wrong with my setup, and you see just price going bullish the whole year, please, man, just help me, man. If you do see them, just help me understand, how are you seeing them? Because one could argue there, because I know in the comment section there, people are just gonna be cool, like, no, it's a buy, and they could be right, bruh. But how are you seeing this price? Just that's what I just wanna know. How are you seeing this price? Fair, bruh. But yeah, again, guys, thank you for watching the video till the end. If you did really watch till the end, can you kindly please like, comment, subscribe, share, do the works. Let's also do the work on the market. Just stay disciplined. Let's just stay, humble enough. Let's just not stay let's not do like crazy things in the market and just think that we know the market like that. It's gonna stay humble and ambitious. Follow what the market is saying. Don't follow what you are thinking. Ish. Guys, yeah. Let's respect the market only. That's what the market needs, guys. Respect only, because prices now, like, it just started indicating to us that it's, giving us that, that will swing, so you need to follow the market, guys. You need to follow the market. To be honest, guys, it took me a long time to realize this. I could do that. Do you understand? Price is giving us, so we're looking for that exactly. Then you can go down again. So you just need to listen to price, but then nonetheless, I'm tired, very tired, guys. The market, guys, if you're just actively in the market, guys, it also tires you out, so yeah. So guys, if you guys see something different, if you guys see, I don't know, bro, but can you please kindly comment, like, and subscribe, and what's most important, can you please comment and tell me what you think on gold, bro? Because of, to be honest, this is a very, like, this pair this pair, like, it's very unpredictable. So yeah, me, I could be saying that I'm right, all of those stuff, but only to find out that I'm nowhere, even I'm no need to be right. So yeah, so can you just please share your opinion on what's your take on this? So yeah, so thanks, guys, for watching till the end and doing the right things. So guys, stay safe. Let's trade responsibly.